Clean the fifth wheel plate, removing all grease and debris. Position the slick plate on the fifth wheel plate. Mark the position of each hole using the slick plate as a template. Remove the slick plate and drill through the fifth wheel plate at the marked locations using a 7/16" drill bit. Remove all debris when finished. Fasten the slick plate to the fifth wheel plate using the supplied hardware. Position the steel ram bars in the pockets on the slick plate. Make sure the top edges of the ram bars sit below the contact surface of the slick plate so as to not interfere with the trailer during operation. Mark the position of the holes of the ram bars on the slick plate. Remove the ram bars and drill through the slick plate and the fifth wheel plate at the marked locations using a 3/8" drill bit. Remove all debris when finished. Fasten the ram bars to the slick plate and fifth wheel plate using the supplied hardware. Torque the 3/8" slick plate bolts to 19 foot-pounds. Torque the 5/16" ram bar bolts to 19 foot-pounds.